Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet strawberry stitch bag. This one strawberry pattern. Okay, we are going to do it like this with the ring here and here this one. Okay, this one we can put zip or and lining. This one I haven't done. Once I completed, I will do it. Okay, this one we will give a try now. Okay, let's start. Okay, we are going to start. We got two colors here. We are going to start with making chains. Okay, we are going to make 8 chain. Make 8 chain. Then we are going to make one more chain. Then we are going to make one single crochet in each chain. Eight single crochet. Then we are going to make one chain, turn around and make one single crochet in each stitch. So in each rows we will 8 stitches. Repeat this for 40 rows. Repeat this for 40 rows. Once you complete 40 rows, then we will continue doing. Okay, we completed 40 rows here. Okay, let's see like this. So now now we are completed this one. Look at this. So now we are going to make around this way. Okay, make one chain, then we are going to make one single crochet around this. So we will have 40 stitches this way and 8 stitches this way. So we will come all around with 1 stitches. Okay, we are in the corner here. When we comes to the corner, each corner we will have 2 stitches, then followed by with one single crochet. Okay, then the other side. Followed by the other side. Okay, we completed all around with one single crochet. Now we are going to make one single crochet in the back loop. we'll have 96 stitches around this. So now we are going to make one single crochet in the back loop. Okay, this is the base. If you want more bigger base, then you can do bigger base based on 4 plus 1. The pattern is 4, the 1 is extra for this one. Okay, continue doing in the back loop. Okay, we completed one single crochet in the back loop. You see now the base will face up like this. Okay, now we are going to make 3 single crochet, one single crochet in 3 stitches, one chain. Always remember to put the marking here, because if you didn't put the marking, sometimes you won't know where is the starting point and the finishing point. Okay, now we are going to make in both loop one single crochet in the same stitch here where we made the chain, 2, 3, and now we are going to make 5 double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, 5 double crochet. Now we are going to make again 1 single crochet in 3 stitches. Then again we are going to repeat with 5 double crochet. Then 1 single crochet in 3 stitches. So we are going to repeat all around. If your stitches are 96, then you won't get wrong. So repeat doing this all around. Okay, we are in the last stitch, so we are going to join with slip stitch. When we are going to join with the slip stitch, we are going to pull in with the green color. Okay, one chain, then we are going to make 1 single crochet in next 2 stitch. Don't bring the red color along, because leave it that behind, we are going to use later. Now we did, consider we did 3 single crochet over here. Okay, then we are going to make 1 single crochet, pull over. We are not going to lock this. We are going to pull over 5 stitches, so we are going to make 5 single crochet together like this. Okay, 1 chain, then we are going to make 3 single crochet, 3 single crochet, then we'll have the stitches like this. Then we are going to repeat with 5 single crochet together. then one chain, then we are going to make 3 single crochet. Look at this. We'll have the shape of the cluster stitch like this, like a strawberry, like that. Okay, we are going to keep on doing around this. Once you finish with this color, you'll change to red color and do the previous row. The previous row we did the single crochet, isn't it? 3 single crochet. We are going to repeat 3 single crochet on it. Okay, repeat this all over again. Okay, we completed. We already pull in the new color, so we are going to make 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you can see 1 stitches over here, isn't it? These 6 stitches we are going to make 5 double crochet. Then we are going to make 3 single crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to make, you see this side, this one, the chain over the berries, we will leave it. 1, 2, 3. We'll make the berries over here, not in the chain. Okay, like this. You can see the berries slightly from here to this row here, so your berries will a bit moving like that. So keep on doing this until your requirement length. Okay, I completed around 26 rows, green and red. These 2 rows I repeat till here. This one, I prefer this long, so I stop at here. So you can see the back is like this, the shape, the strawberry shape. Okay, now here I cut off the green already. After this I'm going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, I'm going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, repeat doing 1 single crochet for 10 rows. once you complete 10 rows, you'll see how it turns out. Okay. Okay, completed. I'm going to cut off the yarn, then later hide the tails somewhere inside. Okay, look at this, the back, superb, isn't it? Okay, now I'm going to do this part, this both part. I'm going to make like to hold the this ring over here. I'm going to attach this ring over here, so later on I can put the strap over here. So now I'm going to make in between, just make sure, measure this one, do a marking maybe. I'm going to make 4 single crochet, then turn over, leave a long tail like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. I'm going to do 5, then turn this one, you do few rows, repeat 5 stitches. Okay, I fixed already both side. Okay, now we will fix the strap. Okay, I've done the strap here, so now we are going to fix the strap inside part like this. The strap, I will tell you how I did. This one I did 8 chain, then turn with 1 chain, I make 1 single crochet, so we will have 7 single crochet in each stitch. So this one I did 240 rows, 8 chain, then 7 single crochet, together with the chain we'll have 8 stitches in each rows, consider 8 stitches. So now we will have 24 rows of this. Then I fold it into two, so you see I insert inside the ring here. Then in this part, either you can use a ring or use stitches like this, just stitch, it's enough, that's all. This is how we did the strap. Okay, the strap completed, see, this way. Okay, all the tail carried off. Now we can put lining inside and put a zip also. Okay, I'm going to put it later. Now I think you all can do this, can try this pattern. Okay, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you.